Hi guys, today's lesson is over understanding proportions, and all we're going to do today is basically define what a proportion is, and you might also hear the term ratio and we'll go over that. All right, first off, the question asks, what is a proportion? And if at any time you need to pause and write things down or go back and rewind, please do so. I'll try to avoid repeating myself here. A name we give to a statement that two ratios are equal. So in other words, that is what a proportion is. If you're wondering what is a ratio, right underneath the word ratio, just a comparison between two things, okay? So it can be written in two ways here. Most of the time when we deal with proportions here, they're going to be written as fractions, okay? So look at these two equal fractions. We have 3 over 5 is equal to 21 over 35. Those are two ratios there that are equal, all right? And we call them proportional or proportions here, all right? You might also see it as using a colon. And the language we might use here is 3 to 5 is equal to 21 to 35, all right? But most of the time, you're going to see these ratios as two equal fractions there when we're talking about proportions. All right. Here is a pattern that we found here. When two ratios are equal, then the cross products are equal. What do we mean by that? Let's take our ratios here, 3/5 and 21/35 here. What we're saying is this, that when the two ratios are equal, we have found a pattern that when we multiply across, in other words, 3 times 35, that is going to be equal to when we multiply across when we take 5 times 21, okay? So what we have right there is 35 times 3, which is 105. 21 times 5 now we also see equals 105. So the two ratios there, when we multiply across, are equal. Look for that pattern. You should notice that pattern when you're doing problems like this, okay? That is your lesson today over understanding proportions. Please go back and rewind anything you might need to. Thank you.